Hi guys, welcome to part 2. As you guys saw the part 1, I know you guys have thingy. Like I was just loosening my legs, now my arms now. Sorry guys. Like the product's homemade. Like literal homemade. But the lotion is just lotion and then I just added water because that was my favorite lotion. But there's no more thingy. Now that it's done, let's add lipstick. Now this. And then now lip gloss. That's strawberry flavored. Wait guys, I need to pass. It's hard to open because my hands are sweaty. Finally guys, I opened it. Now time to pick my clothes. Yeah, wait guys. Hi guys, I already picked my clothes. Now time to put it on. Wait guys. 2, 1. Wait, it's not working. Guys, not working. Yeah, bro. 3, 2, 1. Now I had put it on. Now I need to put on some socks. Yeah, I have shorts. See, so yeah. Time to put the other one.